Welcome to our channel. Today we're breaking down how to join the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program, step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Visit the Amazon Associates website. Go to the official Amazon Associates page and click Join Now for free to start your application. Step 2. Sign in or create an Amazon account. Use your existing Amazon account or create a new one to register for the program. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide your name, address, phone number, and website or social media channels where you plan to promote Amazon products. Step 4. Describe how you drive traffic. Amazon will ask about your methods for attracting visitors, including content type, audience, and promotional strategies. Step 5. Choose your payment method, either via direct deposit, gift card, or check. Step 6. Start creating affiliate links. Once approved, you can generate affiliate links to Amazon products. Share these on your website, blog, or social media to start earning commissions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.